This is a 1970 Triangle Mobile Home Productions bathroom exhaust fan. Made in Chicago, Illinois.
That's horrible.
There we go. There's the bolt. Let that chill. You get most of the stuff on there. Holy crap, is there ever lots of dust in here already. Oiled it about 2 years ago now. Yeah, it's simply just screwed right into the drywall, or whatever that stuff is. One big, they're about that long. One right there. There's a little fan. It's too bad it's so dirty. I didn't think it was going to be this dirty. Wow. But yeah, it's a little 5-wing plastic blade. My dad used to live in his trailer back when he was very early age, till about 10ish. He said it sounded horrible back then, and it made lots of noise and spun slow back when we first moved in here when I was 4. I remember I used to be scared of this fan when I was a kid because it used to make so much noise. I used to stay outside the bathroom until it started working good and quietly. But then oiled her up a few years ago real good, and it's working good ever since. Makes that rattle when you start it, but operates smoothly once it's running. Kind of makes a slightly different sound every time you turn it on. It says Triangle Home Products Incorporated, Chicago, Illinois, 6010. And that must be the model number. I believe it's 6V-55. And then 115 volts, 60 hertz. And I don't know what that is, I can't see it. But all the info. And it's also got a little UL listed thing. And this fan used to have one of those screen filter things too, but I removed it simply because it restricted too much airflow, and I thought that was put in there by somebody else. I didn't realize that these fans probably came with the screens. But it's in the garbage now, so who cares? It moves a lot more air with the screen off anyways, so that's what we want, right? Now here's a little test. Oh! I really did it now. Well, that won't do. Now to try and get that out of there. Ha ha ha. Isn't that funny? Didn't help to run it so much with it stuck in there, but oh, come on. Oh crap! Let the fan suck it out. Do you see what kind of looks like to be designs on the rotor there? On the parts right here? Those are little bumps. I've never seen those on a rotor before. We might be moving out of this trailer, and if that happens, I think I'm going to try and just jimmy rig a duct booster fan in here and take this one for myself. You don't see these kind of bathroom fans too often. Shot of this side too. Yeah, she just looks pretty greasy. That's a pretty small little fan in there. But it does a good job for this bathroom anyways. Okay, now for the toilet paper test with the grill on. Oh, right in the plunger. And that's my Triangle Mobile Home Productions bathroom fan. I want to see some more of these things. Thanks for watching.